Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have done the defining terms of chapter 5, separation of substances. Today, we will do short question answers. Very first, you will have to mention today's date and write the heading also. That is very short question answers. So let's start with the first question. Name any two methods for separation of substances. Students, as we already have discussed some methods in the previous class also, we will have to write any two amongst them. And the answer will be thrashing and winnowing. Now second question is, how sand can be separated from water? So sand can be separated from water either by sedimentation and decantation as given in the video also, or by the filtration. So the answer will be sand can be separated from water by one of the following methods. First, sedimentation and decantation, and second, filtration. Now, let's see the diagrams of these methods one by one. First is decantation. जैसा कि हम सब प्रीवियस क्लास में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि इस प्रोसेस में हम सैंड एंड वाटर के मिक्सचर में क्लियर वाटर को दूसरे बर्तन में ले लेते हैं. ओके, हेयर यू कैन सी. और इससे जो बर्तन की सरफेस पे जो सैंड सेटल डाउन होती है वो सेपरेट हो जाती है. नाउ सेकेंड मेथड इज sedimentation. In this process, if we allow the mixture of sand and water to stand for some time, then sand particles will settle down and we will get the clear water, as you can see in the given picture also. Now, third, that is filtration. In this process, we pass liquid components through a filter paper or sieve, we can say. Here in this picture you can see a glass funnel is having filter paper, and if we pass any liquid, then solid impurities will be separated and we will get the filtered water. So these three diagrams you will have to draw with the question number 2 in your notebook. Now next question is, how solution is prepared? To prepare solution, we must require soluble substances and solvent like sugar and water. So the answer will be, a solution is prepared by dissolving a soluble in a solvent. For example, sugar in water. Now question 4 is, which method is used to separate the pieces of stone from grains? Now look at this picture. अक्सर आपने अपने घरों में ये प्रोसेस देखी होगी जब मदर फूड ग्रेन्स जैसे कि चावल, गेहूं, दाल आदि में से स्टोन के पीसेस को हाथ से साफ करती है, और ये सबसे बेसिक मेथड है सेपरेशन का. सो द आंसर विल बी हैंड पिकिंग. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज हैंड पिकिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द प्रोसेस टू ऑब्टेन sea salt from sea water. So look at this picture. This is the process of evaporation. In this process, the salt is separated and evaporated from water. So this process is known as evaporation. So this was all about very short question answers.